Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close your position or your trade right here on Plus500. So first of all, I want to create a trade. So I click here on buy. I'm using a demo trade account so I can do whatever I want without thinking about it. So let's buy this position right here as a buy long position. And then what you will see right here on the screen is you will find right here at Bitcoin your positions. You can also click right here on open positions and then you will find right here your positions. Then the only thing that you need to do is you can click right here on close and then you can decide right here if you want to partial close. So let's say you can close just half of it or maybe everything. And then you click right here on close position. There we go. Now we close our position or trade. It's exactly how you want to call it. And this is how you can close your position right here on Plus500. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.